is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece, and this is when the moments turn to memories, memories. Deep breath in and I come alive. It's a feeling I remember for the rest of my life. So I sit back and watch the sun paint us gold for a moment.
Tell me if it's too long and then it's okay na.
Okay. Wala bang finish line yan? Oh, muntik ka na doon.
Pause. Now where should I go? Oh, here.
Does it have a map?
It doesn't have a map.
Paano mo nalalaman kung saan ka pupunta? Ah,
Can you all be a
Not
bit
really.
quiet?
okay.
Can you all be a bit quiet?
Kahit ka daw, nagbablog siya.
Do you want to join us tomorrow early in the morning?
Nagbablog siya. Yeah.
I'm so sorry for disturbing you.
It's okay.
At ako ang cameraman.
Malanda ka dyan.
At ako ang cameraman.
Naglilibot siya pagkain na ako ano.
Ang ligalig kagabi niyan.
Ba't ka nagliligan ka kami? Nainis mo ang ato mo ah.
Hanggang 1 a.m. eh.
Hindi daw niya alam na gabi na.
Kumain niya talaga ng tao.